Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently close your Cash App account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly deactivated and your funds are secured. Step 1. Before closing your account, make sure to transfer your entire Cash App balance to your linked bank account or debit card. Open the app and tap on your balance to initiate a transfer. Step 2. Cancel any active Cash App card if you have one. Contact Cash App support to deactivate your physical or virtual Cash App card before proceeding with account closure. Step 3. Resolve any pending transactions, disputes, or scheduled payments. Your account must have no outstanding issues before Cash App will allow closure. Step 4. Open the Cash App on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 5. Tap on your profile icon in the top corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 6. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap on Support to access Cash App customer service options. Step 7. In the Support section, search for Close Account or navigate through the Help topics to find information about closing your account. You may need to contact Cash App support directly as there is no direct Close Account button. Step 8. Follow the instructions provided by Cash App support to close your account. They may ask you to confirm your identity and reason for closure. Once completed, you will receive confirmation that your Cash App account has been permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be reversed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.